Lot number 3595A. Here we have ourselves 2010 Kawasaki STX-15F. So what happened was the jet pump went out and that took the engine out also. So we're going to part this machine out. If you need parts off this machine, give Mardo's Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. There's 70 hours on this machine. I'll show a picture of the gauge. There's the 70 hours right there on the gauge. Gauge is clean. Gauge is also available for sale. The hood, the mirrors, the seats, the jet pump we're actually going to rebuild, and all the engine components. As you can tell, it's a Minnesota freshwater, very clean boat. Doesn't have much for dock rash or anything on it, actually. Came with the interstate battery in it. Reverse, step down ladder, ride plate, so on and so forth. The exhaust manifold, exhaust tanks, mufflers, all that stuff's great shape on this thing. Take the seat off here. As you can tell, the seats are also in great shape. There's the motor there. It's already partially disassembled, so we could find out what was wrong. Again, it's 2010 Kawasaki STX-15F. 218-844-4968. You want to call and buy parts off this machine. Give lot number 3595A. Thank you.